Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I season my chicken for brown stew, but without the browning, right? So brown stew chicken without the browning. So let's jump right into it. These are my ingredients, by the way. So here I have 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garlic granules, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and half teaspoon salt, and 1.5 tablespoon jerk seasoning. Now you can use all-purpose seasoning instead of the jerk seasoning, but yeah, you don't necessarily have to have the jerk seasoning. So let's rub it up, mix it up, mix, stir. So yeah, we're gonna mix it up, and then we are gonna, of course, pour it over our beautifully washed chicken. So here my chicken has been washed with vinegar and lime, and it's about 2.5 pounds of chicken, and I took off the skin. So yeah, go ahead and pour the rub on the chicken, and here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of, or is it 3 tablespoons of blended seasoning or green seasoning. I will link the recipe down below for those. So yeah, go ahead and pour that on there, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix and a rub and a rub and a mix and a rub and a mix. Yes, so go ahead and just stir up everything. You're rubbing it all on there, getting all the niceness on the chicken. So here I'm just adding the rest of the rub, the rest of that beautiful rub, that tasty rub. Tasty. So yeah, go ahead and just rub that in. And guess what? If you don't have jerk seasoning, as I said, you can only use chicken seasoning and onion powder, garlic powder, and those things, right? So yeah, after we're done, we're gonna cover this. Overnight would be great. So here we have it, vibes fam. The chicken is nicely thoroughly seasoned for brown stew chicken without the browning. Yes, because you can cook it that way, right? You don't have to add browning. But yeah, vibes fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please like the video, just click that thumbs up button right there, and share my channel and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Run over to Instagram and Facebook and follow me, please. Thank you. God bless you.